Welcome to Softreviewed. In this video, I just want to quickly show you how you can see the usage metrics of different models that's available in anti-gravity. It's really easy. If you don't already know it, please hit the like button so that I know people like videos like this. So in order to see the usage of your different models like Gemini, Claude 4.6, Sonnet, etc., we have this option, right? A small indicator right next to the model name. This usually gives us the expiry and when it will get renewed, right? But it will not show you how much you have actually used. So Google solved that issue. It's easy to find that information. Just click on this gear icon here and then just click on open anti-gravity user settings, and then if you go to your models section here, as you can see, you can now see the usage, how much is left for each cycle and when it will refresh. So now you have that complete usage metrics available right here in your settings. So if you found this video useful, please do like, share and subscribe for more future tips and tricks. And again, thank you for watching and have a great day.
Click that thumb and join the dream. Stay in the loop with the latest vibe. Hit that bell, come on, subscribe.